Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, we have already done Model 6. Few exercises are left. So, today I'll explain articles and then we'll do the exercises. So, learning objectives will be able to identify correct and incorrect use of articles, identify a definite and indefinite article. Okay? Next, look at your book. Articles. Articles are words that point out nouns or group of nouns. There are three articles in English: a, an, the. A is used before singular words that begin with a consonant sound. Example is given there in the book: a tree, a man, a uniform. An is used before singular words that begin with a vowel sound. The first letter may or may not be A, E, I, O, U. Vowel, 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Example: an X-ray, an umbrella, an elephant. So children, the articles a and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. A comes before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Example: a rat, a unit, a xylophone. Clear? An comes before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound or a mute H Example: an adult, an X-ray, and irises. Okay? A and are indefinite articles. A and an are used when we speak of someone or something for the first time. A, an used with a noun in general. Clear? Next. The article the is used in the following cases: before a word that has been mentioned earlier. Example: I met a girl on a bus. The girl was a swimming champion. Before a word that is unique. Example: the sun, the moon. Before the names of river, mountains, seas, and so on. Example: we use the Himalayas, the Gangas. The is the definite article used to point out a noun. We use the when a person, place, animal, or thing is mentioned a second time. That's it written in the example here in the book. I met a girl on a bus. The girl was a swimming champion. Clear? For example, we have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. So, the is a definite articles used to point out a noun. We use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. We use the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing is being referred to. We use the when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon, the sun. Already example is given there in the book. The Himalayas, the Gangas. Clear, children? The articles. So children, read the book, read your textbook. Everything is given there. Okay? And practice it. So children, we will do today 2 exercises. I'll do here, and then 1 or 2 exercises will be left. So we'll do in our next class, or you can do by yourself. So I'll check it. Okay? So let's do exercise 3.1. Match the picture to the correct articles. Please listen carefully. One is done for you. Apple, an apple. Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal. Number 3, the moon. Number 4, a pencil. Number 5, an egg. Number 6, a cycle. So next, exercise 3.2. Color the circles with the correct articles and complete the sentences. One is done for you. She ate only an ice cream for lunch. The correct answer is an. She ate only an ice cream for lunch. Number 2. My friend gifted me a small toy car on my birthday. So correct answer is A. Clear? Rita eats an egg every day. Rita eats an egg. Okay? Let us go to the school playground. Let us go to the school playground. The correct answer is the. Ram has an large box of chocolate. Correct answer is Ram has a large box of chocolates. We visited the Gateway of India when we were in Mumbai. So correct answer is we visited the Gateway of India when we were in Mumbai. So children, do it, this exercise, and rest exercise you practice by your own, and then in our next class we will do all the other exercises. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, bye bye.